afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you. I'm coming closer. I will catch you. The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, get too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief on my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop, it's a war zone. It's a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. The impact, yeah, break it open, leaving nothing fucking intact. Hey yo, you been hacked, you're safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back, your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey bitch, you been whacked, I kill them all, feel a motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie, say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap, homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud with a vision, saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trashed out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing, thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, oh cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop.
whatever. All this ever about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulder. So done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man. Tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulder. So done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man. Yeah,
like you. Be strong to hold the powers. Whoa. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe, and when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe, and when you need to escape from 1,000 fires. I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Jungle of love. Listen to my conditions, I got you on my mind. You are stuck in my head and I don't know why. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe, and when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe, and when you need to escape from 1,000 fires. I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Love.
क्या हाल चाल दोस्तों? हाउ आर यू ऑल? लॉन्ग वीकेंड? इट्स नॉट लॉन्ग वीकेंड, इट्स वीकेंड. Weekend is weekend, right? So, how are you, man? How are you, all of you? Fine. क्लाइमेट बहुत सही हुआ है आज, है? और यार फुल रात बारिश हुई है. ठीक है. एंड सुबह उठ के देख रहा हूँ क्या चल रहा है. मतलब सुबह हुई कि नहीं पता नहीं लग रहा. इट्स 9 o'clock. आई वेक अप. 9 बजे उठा मैं सुबह और उठ के देखो बारिश हो रही कि नहीं. बारिश हो रही है बट क्लाइमेट ही अलग है आज. और बताओ गाइस, हाउ इज गोइंग ऑन? How are you today? I'm fine, man, Mr. Ahmed. You say. Okay, let's start. Let's start it, man. New month, new target, new break even, new losses. Same seat, but different month. Huh? Am I audible, all of you? आवाज आ रही है मेरी? Let me know. तो जो अपना सिस्टम है बहुत दिन के बाद स्टार्ट किया है हमने. ऑडियोबल ऑल ऑफ यू? आवाज आ रही है मेरी? तो अपना सिस्टम है बहुत दिन के बाद स्टार्ट किया है हमने. परफेक्ट साउंड, मैन. Okay. Let's start it, man. Let's do the analysis of monthly candle close. ये मंथली क्लोजिंग मिली है हमको. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं डिस्कस करनी है अबाउट दिस वीक. एनएमपी में क्या कर सकते हैं हम, क्या नहीं कर सकते, सब चीज़ें हम डिस्कस करेंगे आज. ओके. देखो आज ये जो वीक की ये जो मंथली कैंडल बनी है, व्हाट आई कैन सी ओवर हियर, break the previous high and close it back into the range. I know that it's closed back into the range, but it's not closed bearish, right? It's not closed bearish. मतलब इट्स कैंडल ब्रेक द प्रीवियस हाई ब्रेक करके फिर से रेंज के अंदर आया, बट एक कैंडल बेरिश नहीं क्लोज आई. जो प्रीवियस कैंडल है मंथली स्टिल पॉजिटिव, राइट? Because most of the time what we see that after candle break previous candle high and it goes straight away up like this, and after this come back it's look like this, right? With pin bar candle. तो वैसे तो कुछ बना ही नहीं है वहाँ. बना है तो क्या, only wick and it's closed bullish, right? तो क्या नहीं, इतना ही है उसमें. और लेवल जब निकलेंगे तो सबके लेवल निकलेंगे. 2150 obviously all time high also. 50 all time high. Yeah, monthly candle close हुई है and next month की candle open with no top wick. It can go any given up time to make the top wick. steeper wick to come down, because market wants liquidity to move from one price to another price, right? If price steady, then we can't see any movement over there. Why? Because there is no changes. So why investor will put their money in gold, right? If price come down, then only you will see there, man, in that dip, that person, investor is going to buy over there, right? They're waiting for price to come down, right? And they're waiting for price to go up to make to book profit, right? So if price is steady at the same price or at the same zone, then there will be no movement, right? No many movement. That means it's not like that we cannot trade as a scalp. If there is a range of 100 pips, then only we can trade a scalp. So let's see. We got that level now, 2145, and obviously all-time high also, and previous candle low also. I will like to mark previous candle low, right? Okay. That we will adjust in a weekly time frame. Let's drop into the weekly, and that previous candle low is slightly working as a support over here. So last week also I discussed that once we are sitting in this range, right? And after we are sitting in this range, it broke previous candle, it's broke the range high and came back into the range. Then after it's come back into the range, it should goes to fill the wick like this, right? But I don't know when it's going to fill the wick. Maybe in NFP news in this Friday, or maybe tomorrow, maybe or day after tomorrow. I don't know when, but it should go to fill this wick or retest. It should retest this zone, right? Retest up 2291 or 2300, at least 2300. If we retest 2300, and there will be the round figure to bounce price, right? But let's see. अभी तो इसको retest करना जरूरी है at 2300 पे. On weekly time frame, what's the key level? Key level for me 2363 also is one of the key level. Market rejected from there, from that area, right? And let's do the daily. Weekly पे कुछ नहीं, weekly अभी just same, weekly monthly is same, right? And for 2325, it's one support over here. You can see it's respecting this area, right? And this is the range. After this range breakout, it's going to fill this range, right? And there are minor level of support over there, right? At 2310, or at least 2305, or there is a minor level of support, right? So yeah, man, that's it. Nothing changes. Same, not same, but there is structure. There is change of character over there. You see there, change of character. Yeah, after breaking, it should work like this, right? If market wants to go up, then इसने पिछला लो क्यों ब्रेक किया? तो पिछला लो ब्रेक किया, मतलब इसका मतलब है कि this maybe up to NFP news, it should goes to down or retest this low at 2291 or 2300, right? So yeah, man, this is the analysis. This is not analysis. Let me drop on 4-hour time frame very quick. Okay. And this is it. And let's shift to the 4-hour. Today's candle open at this support. Maybe आज कैसे closing होती है? If this candle closed back into the range or maybe bullish, so it look like this, right? Look like this, or maybe today it can goes to retest at 2391. I don't know. It's a range of, I think, 200 pips. Yeah, man, it's a 200 pips. It can retest today also, because gold usually moves 1% to 2% per day, right? उसी जोन में रहता, फिर उसको बड़ी बात नहीं है कुछ रीटेस्ट करना. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ भी, you can see over here also it goes and retest this low, right? After opening this candle, goes straight away down and retest this low and come, then it's right. ऐसे भी हो सकता है आज. Let's see. Yeah, let's shift to the 4-hour. Now 4 hour, what I see recent, I want to see the recent support, right? This is the recent support at 2326, right? And minor level of support at 2306. Okay, there is a clean range, I think. Is there clean range to drive down to 306? It can be. Okay, and 4 hour candle closing in 3 hours, right? Let's see if any plan I'm going to do you generate transcript for the videos? What is transcript for videos? I don't know, man. What is this called? What do you mean trans? Online convert. It's a caption, right? It's caption. I'm not generating. I don't know how to generate it. Yeah, it's caption. Right, it's subtitle. It's called subtitle. There is one website called AutoCap. If you go at AutoCap, so you will get automatic caption on videos, right? Go and visit this website. You don't disturb me in the middle of analysis, man. I'm disturbed. Okay, so this is the range, man. There is no anything. अभी उसको ना 4 आवर को मैं 1 आवर पे 30 मिनट्स पे शिफ्ट करके देखूंगा. व्हाट इज द रिसेंट सपोर्ट, रिसेंट रेजिस्टेंस, वही देखूंगा. अभी देखो, देयर इज द रिसेंट सपोर्ट जो बना है 1 आवर पे, जो वीक फील है ये. दिस इज द वीक फील, इज द रिसेंट सपोर्ट, राइट? एंड दिस इज द रेजिस्टेंस. ठीक है, अभी इसी के बीच में मेरे को ट्रेड करना है, बिकॉज जो होल सिनेरियो में कैप्चर करने जाता हूँ ना, तो मेरे स्टॉप लॉस बहुत बड़े बड़े हिट हो रहे हैं. वो मैं अफोर्ड नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. लास्ट मंथ वाज ब्रेक इवन मंथ, राइट? Yeah, man, the weak fill area, like on 1 hour is 2312 and 30 minute also same, right? 2312. Let's see, after breaking up this support at 2315, just straight away down 30 pips can be tradable, man. It's tradable, but I want to see just consolidation over here. After consolidation, if breaks 2315, I'm going to sell stop, right? Just waiting for this 30 minute candle close. Will close in, I think, in 16 minute over here, right? After 16 minute, if this candle do something, breaks previous candle lows or previous 1 hour candle lows, I'm going to sell, right, to capture this moment only, right? Let's say that's the analysis for me. Maybe your analysis for your gold for this month or this week will be different, mine will be different, right? So that you should follow your plan, follow your analysis, right? This is my opinion. What I'm doing right now is planning for scalp trade, right? That's why I did a whole monthly analysis, right? I know that one of my position is running in drawdown of swing trade, right? But I'm waiting for some major event that is called non-farm payroll, this coming Friday will be there, right? Let's see. Transmit is like waiting and translate for the video is for you have spoken, use the text. Acha, just listen. Okay, man. और बताओ, any doubts, any question about forex trading? Any your opinion, your side? I want to hear from your side also. First month, first trade, first analysis of June. Let me open MT5 and so monthly for your is bearish with a high tested. Can be there is the major event called NFP news in this week, right? So after maybe in this week, if monthly candle goes to straight away down, not monthly candle, weekly candle, right? Weekly candle goes to straight away down to retest this low, right? If retest this low, or maybe grab liquidity from this area in a NFP news, right? This is the support, right? This is support, this is the resistance. This is the resistance, this is the support, and right now we are sitting over here, right? After breaking up previous candle high, it's closer back into the range. That's why it's need to retest over there. And there is the NFP news, so-called. If in a NFP news candle open with no top wick in a 30-minute candle, maybe I don't know. Maybe there is a long shot. There is a long period of time to NFP, right? So there is 5 days for NFP. NFP is on, I think, on Friday, right? So on Friday it goes to straight away down, or maybe yeah, it's straight away down. If Friday the market इसी area पे रहेगा ना, तो let's say Friday goes straight away down, right, at this level, and after it's come back and closed back into the range, it's look like this, right, after bottom week, deeper bottom week, and then there is the liquidity to grab, right, and new investor will come over there also, and I can say that ki, man, next all-time high is coming soon. If you see only this, if you see this one, closing of candle of Friday's candle or weekly candle, right, this is weekly candle, right? Weekly candle will start like this. It's started already, right? It's go straight away down, I don't know, but on Friday it's close, so you will see 5 candle of daily time frame. So let's say this will be your weekly, right? This will be your weekly candle. Okay, yeah, man. Let's say this is your weekly candle, right? What do you see in this weekly candle? It's so let's break this weekly candle in a daily time frame, right? So in a daily, yeah, man, it's going down, Okay, this is second day. It's Tuesday, right? This is Tuesday candle. This is Wednesday candle, right? This is Thursday candle, somewhere here, and suddenly you see on NFP, suddenly on NFP you see one big candle, right, over here also. Right. So this 4 candle, this 5 candle, okay, this 5 candle, if you break this candle, you will see this one, right? So I can see over here, if Friday's candle do like this, then there is the high chances to retest the high. US NFP prediction is good for USD. Good for USD means bad for gold. But sometimes you know that people, or sometimes the big investor, big player is waiting for like this event to activate their swing trade of buy, right? They're planning their trade. Once this comes down or any NFP news goes down, we'll see that, yeah, man, there is the recovery of that candle, or you will see people use that NP news as an opportunity to buy in a dip. Buy on dip. लाइट वेव समझाना. Literally don't follow light wave, man. Light wave में there is the 1 2 3 4 कुछ रहता है like this. Light wave. One goes down, one goes up, one goes down. इसका कुछ mechanism है. I really don't know that. Yeah. Okay, light waves. I don't know. I literally don't know. I'm sorry for your. I'm not able to answer your question. Right. कुछ गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन देने से अच्छा है ना ये बोल दो कि भाई हाँ ये चीज़ है, क्योंकि मेरे को एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है ना भाई उसका लाइट वेव का. आई नो दैट मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर कैसे मूव करता है. आई डोंट नो. Yeah, man, I'm in a sale over here once previous candle lows break. ठीक है. In a short, stop loss will be 30 minute का high रखूँगा bro. 30 minute high will be my stop loss and overall target will be. Yeah, man, this is the good target. Right, I'm in a sale over here. आंटी जी रोहित भाई ने ट्रेड लिया है. अरे भाई आंटी को मत दिखाओ यार, टॉप लॉस हिट कराती हूँ मेरा. Top loss is 60 pips and overall target is 86 pips, 82 pips. Overall target. Let's see. And this break one more time. If this break this low of current candle one more time, I don't see any of struggle or left. But there is a clean range, right? There is a clean range up to this area. 2312. I should move my stop loss to break even. Two three one three, man. 2313. I move my stop loss at 2313. I will move my stop to break even once this candle break or this candle touch 2313. How long you take to become profitable in forex? 1 month, man. 1 month. No, not 1 month. I started with $100 account after a loss of $1,000 account. I started with $1,000 account and that I got loss, right? After I got loss, I understand why I lose this money, right? So for that I need to do practice. I need to trade in a real market with real money. So that I started again with $100 accounts, right? So in that $100 accounts, I trying to book $1 in one day. and after a couple of days, see that result. Yeah, man. After maybe after in a 10 days, I booked $10. So same like that. If I would have $1,000 account, so I mean I can do 10% of that. So 10% of $1,000, it's $100. There is no, मेरे लिए तो कुछ प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कुछ ठीक है, टाइम लगा वो जो लॉस वगैरह रिकवर हुआ निफ्टी पे. पहले आई यूज ट्रेड इन ऑप्शन बाइंग, ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग, ओवर देयर आल्सो आई गॉट लॉस, बट प्रॉफिटेबल होने के लिए टाइम तो लगता है बस. इट्स डिपेंड ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन हाउ दैट person going to approach the market, right? So I approach like, yeah man, I don't have money to invest, right? I don't have money to trade after losses of $1,000, right? So for me $1,000 it's like भाई बहुत मेहनत की कमाई. It was like, so ठीक है. It's depend on person to person. It's depend on your financial background also, how much time you needs to be profitable. Do follow the plan. Don't follow your mind. If you're starting following your mind or you're trading with emotion, then you will not survive. I know that if I entered in this trade, my stop is at 2312. I put it in my MT5 2312, 2321, 2321.3. This 1 hour candle high. No, this 30-minute candle high. That's it. It's $62. I know that, so I'm going to lose $62 instead of making of $20 or $30, right? Or making $80. It's depend. Only plan. I know that this trade going to be loss, win, break even. I don't know. What I know, yeah man. Once previous candle lows break, I entered with an impulse entry. That only I know, right? There is a stop loss. Yeah man, this is stop loss. I'm not going to lose my whole account. I'm going to lose only $60, right? So this is plan. Sometimes it's depend on range. Sometimes it's more than $100 also. Sometimes it's $10, $20. It's depend, right? Can it break one more time low? And moving stop to break, but ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि monthly candle bullish close हुआ next month will face the high or previous candle. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है. इट्स डिपेंड ऑन यू सी मिस्टर जय. देखो अभी आपको पता है कि उधर क्या होने वाला है इन ग्लोबल मार्केट के अंदर. वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग मैन. वी कांट प्रेडिक्ट मंथली कैंडल ऑल्सो. व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दैट? बिकॉज मंथली कैंडल प्रेडिक्ट करना कुछ भी हो जाएगा ऐसा जो हमको अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है कि लेट्स से वॉर हो जाएगा. व्हाट हैपन? कैन यू कंट्रोल? वी कांट कंट्रोल ऑन वॉर. ठीक है, वॉर हो जाएगा तो इन्वेस्टर विल इन्वेस्ट इन गोल्ड, राइट? तो फिर नया हाई ब्रेक होगा, मार्केट बुल रैली फिर स्टार्ट करेगा, राइट? तो वी कांट प्रेडिक्ट दैट मंथली कैंडल और दैट. नहीं होगा तो फिर कोई डाटा निगेटिव आ जाएगा, ठीक है, यूएस डॉलर के लिए कोई डाटा पॉजिटिव आ जाएगा एंड गोल्ड नीचे मारेगा. वी कांट प्रेडिक्ट दैट. वी कांट प्रेडिक्ट. इसलिए मैं स्विंग में ना ज़्यादा मेरा दिमाग स्विंग में ही खराब होता है. 2-3 दिन से ज़्यादा होल्ड कर ले. इट्स लाइक अरे यार क्या अच्छी तो ज़िंदगी चल रही थी, क्या सैटरडे संडे भी भाई एंजॉय नहीं करनी थी कि मार्केट दिमाग में यही आएगा भाई सेल में क्या बोलते बाय में बैठे मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है, ठीक है? तो स्कैल्प करो यार, तुरंत ही उधर जो भी है फैसला हो जाएगा. एक तो विन नहीं तो लॉस. डू यू थिंक कंपाउंडिंग प्रॉफिट फॉर स्विंग ट्रेड इन द नेक्स्ट ट्रेड इज मोर प्रॉफिटेबल देन इंट्राडे? Do you think compounding profit or swing trading is next trade is more profitable than intraday? Yeah, it's more profitable, but you need to sit with the patience. There is a patience level. You need to be a very what I say that word, very conscious about what is going in a global market, what is going in a forex market, how is going in that surrounding, right? ग्लोबल मार्केट कैसे चल रहा है, वो सब चीज़ें आपको कॉन्शियस रहना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। सो एनी गिवन पॉइंट यू शुड क्लोज योर प्रॉफिट, आपको वो प्रॉफिट लॉस क्लोज करना पड़ेगा। कुछ भी चीज़ें हो सकती है, लेट्स से यू आर सिटिंग इन अ सेल और आपको न्यूज़ आएगी भाई ऐसे वॉर हुआ है, मार्केट विल ओपन ऑन मंडे, और संडे के दिन आपको पता चला कि भाई ऐसे वॉर वगैरह होना है, व्हाट यू डू, एंड यू नो दैट कि मंडे के दिन गैप अप मार्केट ओपन हुआ है, देन आपको ज़रूरी है उधर लॉस बुक करना इफ़ यू आर इन सेल, है ना। Compounding, I don't believe on compounding in a trading. If you doing profit and that profit you are using for next trade, it's totally bullshit, man, for me, because I did one time same like that, but it's fucked up. Psychology was fucked up totally. Currency pair only that opens at 24 hours. Yeah, you can be profitable. Intraday it's more profitable. Yeah, it will be profitable, man. In a currency, if you are trading like GBP, JPY, let's say you are holding from last December, then you no need to shift on gold. You no need to shift on BTC, some other pair. Right. Rohit, bhai, are you in a trade? Yes, I'm in a sale, man. Sale at 2315.00. Yeah, this is what I mix to drive down. Once previous candle lows break, I move my stop loss to this current candle high. Compounding is just social media fantasy. Exactly, man. It's just social media fantasy. I know that. याद रखना, ये जैसे ही 30 मिनट का जो कैंडल स्टार्ट हुआ है, ये जो उसका हाई जो है, अभी जो जैसे ही प्रीवियस कैंडल का लो ब्रेक करके फिर से हाई ब्रेक करेगा ना, तो फिर आई विल बी एग्जिट ऑन, मेरा स्टॉप लॉस में इधर रखूँगा जैसे ही प्रीवियस कैंडल का लो ब्रेक करेगा, क्योंकि चीज़ें इंप्रूव कर रहे हैं ब्रो. No need to give 60 pips as a stop loss, है ना. Once this previous candle lows break at 2315.7, I move my stop loss this current handle high. यहाँ पे मूव करूँगा मैं, ठीक है. And right now I move my stop loss to this current candle high, right. My stop loss is only, I think, 10 pips right now. 18 pips, man. What the fuck is? Two, 3, 1, 5. 2, 3, 1, 1.0, 1. My entry. Very bad. 314.021. $29.20 pips stop loss, and we have target of 78 pips. So there is a high chances to hit stop loss like this. Stop loss, I hate to use smaller stop loss because I know that when I was as a beginner, I trade with this, okay, with smaller stop loss. Still not it, man. Yeah, it got hit. Stop got hit, man. How much? 18 pips. You only trade gold, not currency. Yeah, I only trade gold. Because Euro CHF had a setup right now. Oh man, it's fine. You can trade, man. You can trade. I'm done. Maybe it will play. Yeah, man. Maybe it will play. You take it, man. I'm not going to take it. Ugh. What was my stop? This is it, right? Let's see. I exited, man. I'm out with 18 pips. Minus 18 pips. I plan like this trade, right? You will not see my accuracy. My accuracy will be like 50%, 60% accuracy will be, right? But if there in this week any trade I catch with more than 200 pips, that all these losses is like chindi ये सब losses. Okay, but right now there is the win size. Win size matters, right? I know that. I believe in win rate. If you are a scalper, you need to believe in a win rate also, right? But if any one trade, it wipe out your all profit from 1 month, 1 week. That I improved in last 2 days. I realized I see my journal, and yeah, man, this is the right thing. I'm doing this shit because of yeah, man, we can activate our position in a drawdown, right? But there is a smaller stop. If I put smaller stop, I see there is a win rate. It's a dropping of win rate there. But if that any setup plays out, then it gives me more than it's recover my all losses, I think, right? If the blue candle goes and touch above resistance and then flip bearish, can you give the second chance, bro? It's this blue candle. Where you see blue candle, man? If this candle goes to retest 2320, if retest 2320 and then it's flipped, let's see. I can enter in a trade because I only give 18 pips. Literally, I plan to trade in NY session. ठीक है, let's देखते हैं because this is manipulation बहुत होता है. लंदन में अभी manipulation हो रहा है. लंदन ओपनिंग में setup won't plays out sometime. So that time you can't blame on yourself, right? That means if there is setup not working your setup and not working your plays, and you are just moving from that place, so don't move on, man. Stick to the same plan. No better, don't sell. There is the discount. I have buy limit activated. Okay, someone has a buy limit activated over there. As per my setup, yes, man, that's the important. As per his setup. But as per my setup, it's activated sales stop over there. So that got losses of 18 pips. It is fine, I think. It's fine, man. Right now, why I put stop loss once breaks up previous candle low. You revive this video. My stop loss was here, right? My stop loss was here, here, right? But after this current candle breaks previous candle low, I move my stop loss to somewhere over there, somewhere this candle high. Right, so I believe that after breaking up this current candle high, it goes to hit my all the way up at 60 pips myself. Right, so rather than giving 60 pips to market, I give 18 pips. It's okay. Right, you revive and you see how I managed the trade, how I manage my losses, how I overcome my losses. That is a W. You will see there is the loss. There is a $18 loss. I entered with 0.1 lot. Right. But thing you can grab is like managing the loss. That's a good risk management. In the long run, you will be profitable because your analysis is super big profit and less losses. No, in last month I say that my losses is bigger than my profit, man. That's the I didn't realize that a couple of time I see that, but it's more than 1 month. I see that there is losses. There is a big losses. I know that my analysis was right. My analysis was ठीक है, सभी चीज़ is all good. ठीक है, I don't compare with anyone. Whatever I do, I believe on market. Right? And I believe on my setup. I believe on my analysis. But the mistake I did in last month is huge big stop loss. Right? There is the accuracy, there is a win rate, all it's okay. Some plays out, some setup is plays out, some traders plays out, but there is losses. That I improved. But yeah, man, on YouTube live stream, if anyone comes or anyone sees my records, he'll see that there is a multiple time of losses, but he don't see that how much people he lost. Because of you, I'm in profit. Big thanks. Yeah, man. That is W. Be profit, man. My only aims to come live stream is for me. It's for me. Yeah, man. So I want to analyze how I do. But if you are taking advantage of this live stream, then it's good thing, man. There is the paid things, so-called boot camp, so-called people have. What people have? Hold on, guys. Yeah, man, I'm muted. Fuck it, man. I was muted. I was saying that if someone is selling course over there and he earn 1 CR, he earn like in a 1 month he will earn like 1 lakhs, 1 lakh Indian rupees. So man, it's totally fine, man, because he's selling the course. But you see only that for our mind or any other comment who's doing the comment on his chat box or anyone जो भी comment करते हैं Insta reels वगैरह पे, they are saying that कि yeah, and he's selling the course, that's why he's earning. It's okay, man. It's okay. He's saying he's selling the course. With selling course, he's teaching also, right? He's doing that efforts. Is someone teaching or someone doing that efforts? It's W for him, man. You are in a loss because of, I think, lot size. Yeah, man, it can be. I mean, a loss because of same lot size, right? I'm sitting in a drawdown of swing trade. I know that. I'm in a drawdown. If I combine with my scalp trades and my swing trades, so I'm in a drawdown, man. I'm in a drawdown of $2,000. Wait, not 2,000, 2,500. Drawdown of 2,678. Will not be a considered loss. There should not be a considered losses. You have to risk 1% only per trade using lot size of calculator perfectly and size calculator perfectly. Place position so you can't lose according to your YouTube live stream. You should be in a profit. On live stream, I have account size of $1,000, right? There is the account size of 27,000 also. There is the fund over in Binance also. For me, it's 1% is different. It's not 1% means of this account of whatever I'm trading on live stream. Right? For me, 1% is like my whole fund. When I started forex trading with $100 account, that time my lot size is variable. My lot size is depend on my stop, right? Let's say my stop is more than 100 pips, so I don't go with a trade with 0.1 lot. I'm going to trade with $0.1 because I need to manage that 1% risk. I used to tell on my risk management videos. I told in that video also, if there is the big losses, so how you can reduce that losses with one, you can reduce your lot size. Right? It's okay to put a bigger stop loss more than 100 pips, but if I am not managing my lot size, if I'm not changing my lot size with the same lot size, then it's difficult to be a profitable, to ending up closing a profitable month. वो बुक का फंडा जाने दो भाई. Yeah. If someone has come here with a book, with someone teaches us that risk reward ratio and all that thing, so man, let me know. This live stream, it's not for the people who had experience, who had a beginner experience, who did courses, right? This live stream is for the people who want to see how I'm growing, who want to see how I'm losing, right? Losing or growing, I don't know how is my destiny, how will be my destiny, but whatever I'm doing is live stream. It's live, right? I do losses live, I do win live, I do my analysis live, I share my thing on live, right? So there is, this live stream is not for what I say, it's not for something called like official. You need to, if you follow this live stream, you will be profitable. It's not like that, man. Listen, learn this thing, right? If you have some question, you share with me, I will share on this live stream, right? We are developing to, yeah, obviously, man. I'm used to say that I'm improving my strategy day by day, right? You know that in this trade, मेरा stop loss क्या रहता? If I trade this, if I trade today, right? ये जो stop है ना, मेरा normal stop loss पता है क्या रहता? ये वाला रहता मेरा stop. But ये मैं stop loss रहता, chances, if there is 1% chances to hit my stop, then it's lose my account size of 20%, right? So this thing I learn live. ये चीज़ मैंने बस कहीं से बुक्स में पढ़ के देखता और कहीं से देखता मैं, तो चीज़ बहुत डिफिकल्ट रहती है मेरे लिए, ठीक है? बट मैं खुद लॉस करके सीखा तो फिर मेरे भेजे में जल्दी चला गया ना, है ना? लास्ट मंथ, यू सी, इन लास्ट मंथ मेरे स्टॉप क्या कितने बड़े रहते थे? स्टॉप मोर देन, आई सी दैट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, वन रील्स गॉट वायरल बिकॉज ऑफ माई स्टॉप is more than my profit, right? My target is like 10 pips, 20 pips, and my stop loss is more than 80 pips, right? So, and there is the bunch of replies over there. Let me open the Instagram. I'll show you that. No need to hide anything, you can see also. And that reels got viral, man. Holy shit. Just read that comment, man. And this reel. I used to big stop loss. Listen this. Here and target is the 2338 and my stop loss is 1 hour high. Stop loss is more than I think 84 pips. Target will say 38 pips. Can I enter weak entry over here again with the same stop loss? Okay, I'm in a sale again over here. Okay, using AK-47.
A few moments.
And this time I move my stop loss to break even off second position. And over here I close the thing. Oh, close, yeah, bhai. Right, now let's see the comments. Where I can see comment. Yeah, over here. What the fuck? RIP the RR. Right. He don't know, man. He just learned that man, if we trade the positive risk reward, then we only be a profitable long term. Yeah, man. It's totally fine. But there is other thing also that we are improving or we are बना रहे हैं. ठीक है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है ना. Right. Bro, which terminal MT5? Okay. If bro end up with drawdown, no going to back without the big win streak. I really don't know. इसका reply भी मैंने कुछ दिया कि there is a drawdown. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow trade can hit my stop or losing my streak. And if I follow my plan, there is a two possibilities: win or losses. Right? And sometimes is the break even. And what I do every day is following my plan. It's simple. Full of gambling. Fuck, man. Bad RR. Yeah, man, I know that. Bad RR. Didn't wait for the price to hit the TP. Should I wait to... I see that 1% is... My account is gaining of 1% in that particular profit. Should I wait? Should I wait to hit my TP? I don't wait, man. Because I see, hi, man, there is a profit. Grab it. Right? There is a profit. Grab it. मैं उस टाइप का बंदा हूँ ना, पैसा दिख गया भाई खींच लो एकदम से. ठीक है? Nowadays I used to exit at 10 pips, right, 11 pips. But when I flip my account from 4,000 to 9,000 in 15 days, that time I shared that whole trade. Every trade I shared in my groups. Right, the link is in the description. There I shared all my trades. How I flip my $4,000 account to 9,000. Right. So in that trade, my stop. There is target of 5 pips, 6 pips with enter with a higher lot size because scalping, right? So yeah, man, I don't wait for my TP hit. Okay, 1 SL of your monthly profit will gone. Yeah, I believe this. 1 SL will all profit gone. ये चूतिया बाग क्या है मेरे भाई? भाई देखो, I mean, भाई देखो, मैंने I know चूतिया भाई इसलिए बोल रहा है कि टारगेट से बड़े ज़्यादा SL है. राइट, एंड न्यू रिस्क रिवॉर्ड है. मैं गोल्ड में ट्रेड करता हूँ, तो जब भी मैं गोल्ड में ट्रेड करता हूँ मेरा स्टॉप रहता है वो 4 ओवर रेंज का हाई रखता हूँ मैं. राइट, तो दिस ऑल थिंग, ये देखो यार, दिस इज होल थिंग इज कमेंडिंग. आई नो दैट दिस इज द बुकिश नॉलेज दे लर्न. एंड जितने भी लोग थे ना, सभी ने, और दे ऑल पीपल हैव गुड एक्सपीरियंस देन मी. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर रिप्लाइंग, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर कमेंटिंग. तो आई एम रिस्पेक्ट ऑल ऑफ देम. Right, but I follow my plan. But I want to learn this thing by doing mistake. Right, I do mistake. Yeah, man, I learn that better thing. Like, I never forget that next 10 year also. In the next year, I never forget that thing. Right, but if I learn from somewhere, or if I learn from somewhere, someone who are teaching me, like theoretically, then man, it's totally different. That I can lose anytime. That I can forget anytime. You seen that reason behind this trade? स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो जाता मेरा 1 आवर का. 30 मिनट का हाई मैंने स्टॉप लॉस लगाया था, राइट? तो माई स्टॉप लॉस वॉज हियर. हिट हो ही जाता. कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें इंप्रूव करें ना, उसको मैं प्रायोरिटी दे रहा हूँ यार. ठीक है, बिकॉज नाउडेज आई एम नॉट ट्रेडिंग विद बिगर अमाउंट. ठीक है, छोटे अमाउंट से ट्रेड कर रहे हैं. आई फ्लिप्ड माई अकाउंट, सभी चीज़ किया, देन आई विड्रॉ किया. वो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. ठीक है, बिकॉज मेरे को पता है विड्रॉ नहीं करता तो फिर मैं लॉस कर देता, सभी पैसे मैं लॉस कर देता. ठीक है, एकदम कॉन्फिडेंस और ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है यार, 21 लाख बना दिया देन जस्ट यार हमने भाई अकाउंट 12 लाख से 21 लाख में किया है। ये घमंड रहता है, एक हाँ यही घमंड रहता है। उस घमंड के चक्कर में ना गलत डिसीजन ले देता और गलत डिसीजन से मेरा वो भी पैसा चला जाता। ठीक है, तो ये सब चीज़ें पता थी मेरे को, इसलिए मैं विड्रॉ किया। दैट इज द W फॉर मी। If I plan next, yeah, this 1 hour candle closed over here. 1 hour candle look like grab liquidity from this area. Even my present trade is booming. Yeah, man. My 80% trade are opposite to you, but here we enjoy the stream and develop my trading psychology. Yes, man. I noticed that, Mr. Anil. If I am in a sell, he plan in a buy. Right. But analysis is different, totally different. Right. He sees some order blocks, he sees some strategy. I respect that all. Right. If you are making money with particular strategy, with any strategy, respect that. Right. Don't shift from that, or don't shift from one strategy to another strategy. Follow that. If you are in a profit in that particular strategy, then it will help you long term. और बताओ गाइस, क्या हाल चाल? Who is this people, man? Message request क्या आता है? It's God. Yeah, man. God reply all messages. कुछ भी सेंड करते हैं यार लोग। अभी इसमें ना एक चीज दिखाता हूँ मैं, क्या दिख रहा है गाइस? इफ समवन ट्रेडिंग विद पैटर्न, इस बादल के अंदर आपको क्या दिख रहा है? भगवान शिव दिख रहे हैं, राइट? It's looking Bhavan, Lord Shiva. You see Lord Shiva over here? Yeah. But on chart, there is some pattern, there is some structure, there is some setup. You can't see that. Right? In a couple of days, भाई मेरे को क्यों नहीं दिख रहा head and shoulder? But there is head and shoulder, man. But वो accurate नहीं रहता. Same like cloud. Right? Same चीज. वही इसीलिए मेरे को दिखाना था कि क्लाउड में भी ऐसे कुछ चीजें दिखता है, बट वो हमें दिखता नहीं है, चीजें रहती है। After see my stop is bigger than that. My stop loss is bigger than my profit.
What's that? What's that, brother?
Brother, what's that, brother? If I trade like this, let's say for example, if I trade like this, my stop is all-time high. It's based on weekly time frame. It's based on weekly time frame. My stop is based on weekly time frame. I'm in a sale, right? Then my stop is based on weekly time frame. then you can say, brother, ooh, what's that, brother? स्टार्टिंग में तो ऐसा ही हुआ ना भाई, हमारे अकाउंट तो ऐसे ही उड़े, हमने स्टॉप लॉस क्या होता है पता नहीं भाई, लॉस है, चलो ठीक है हो जाएगा रिकवर, वेट करते हैं, फिर उसको होल्ड किया, अकाउंट ब्लो होने तक वेट किया, हो गया, फिर क्या करें, ठीक है फिर समझ लेते हैं भाई, स्टॉप रखना मतलब न रखना मतलब अकाउंट ब्लो करना। कोरिलेशन पेयर ऑफ गोल्ड इज यूएस डॉलर मैन, यूएसडी, US in DXY. You see, if DXY is going down, then you will see gold is going up. Right, but not every time, man. Shiva will help us. Yes, we just need to find him. Exactly, man. What a word, man. कोरिलेशन पेयर विथ DXY है भाई, और but sometimes travel together, but that's why I can't trust. Exactly, man. Not every time, but in an NY session, I see that yeah, man, if gold is going down, that time I see that DXY is going up. अरे भाई anyone in Indian market who's streaming live, he's trading his account, anyone there? What is saying? I think the best is analyze deeply and advance where it will goes like a raw agent. What do you say? I think you got a reply, not me. Sometimes if there is no analysis, sometimes there is, you see that in a gold, you no need to analysis, but you need to be a awareness what is going on in a global market, right? If you don't know what is going on in a global market and you are just following your analysis, following your trading plan or your analysis in a swing trade, also any trade, there is the chances of losing that trade. But if you are aware, you know that's how it's going in the foreign market, global market, and you're trading with that, so it's totally fine. Because as a forex trader, you or as a gold trader, मतलब forex trader who's trading in a gold, you should knows that thing, should knows all is going on in a global market, why this gold rally is pumping up. Yeah, man, I seen that, man. I seen more than many time. I seen that if you are right, you are 100% accurate in every analysis, as per the SMC, as per the you are using every analysis, every strategy, every theory over there. You are using light wave, we are using any theory over there, you are using RSI indicator window, all will fails, right? You see only candle is going up, right? It's going up more than 5%, more than 6% in a day. I see that more than 3% market moves in one candle of 1 hour. I see that. Just don't not follow. And the time what time it goes? It goes at morning 9 o'clock as per the IST, right? So is there any event at 9 o'clock as per the Indian standard timing? I didn't see any event, and gold pricing is just really in a March is going like this, right? I see in a March many of people got make money, many of people got that bull rally, and many of people loses their account with analysis, and many of people have hedged till now also. I used to trade when I started live stream last year in August. That time I used to trade this candle. ये candle में trade करता था पहले. He at support. If you see this type of candle, once this candle highs break, you should enter in a trade with the stop loss of this current candle low. Right, low, and once this current candle goes to all the way up, and after 20 pips stop, 20 pips profit, you move a stop loss to break even. I see many things. This is called hammer candle, or what do you call this candle? Called pin bar candle. Every market works more than technical than fundamental, but Mr. All in One, if you have like this your opinion that every market works on technical, so I would like to add one more word over there. Every market works because of you and me, and what you are going to do and what I'm going to do is no one knows, right? With big, if I'd say I have big amount of money, let's say I have a hedge fund, right? I'm running hedge fund, and I have liquidity in the market, and you also have same chip. But your analysis and my analysis and your trade and my trade, I never shared. Big player never shared their how they are going to do, how they are planning in some particular market. So because of you, I'm using just for example, because of you and because of me, and like you and me, there is a multiple people. They have different thoughts, they have different buys of the day, and they have different planning in a trade, right? So that's why market moves. So that's why that's why we call bearish moment, and that's why we call bullish moment, right? I know that is the technical, but there is a psychology behind this. All is going on behind this trade, behind this chart. I see there is a psychology of someone person sitting over there, someone person is somewhere organization sitting over there, so they are waiting for NFP news to pump down, right? Or maybe for example pump up to drive down, right? You see the liquidity level, they are waiting for that price to come, or they will activate their position with a huge amount of money, and that because of that huge amount of money enter and liquidity comes into market is moving, right? You see that market is moving, right? So I respect that. Yeah, there is a technical, I know that, but there is the big efforts behind the mind, behind this chart. The big efforts is from investor, from the big player, right? Bank have liquidities. Bank never share what's they're going to do. Market is BFI, bank and financial institution versus retailer. That's us. Yes, man. That's us. Exactly. And you can see only retailers also on social media. Profitable retailers. You will see profitable retailers over there. Because what do you say, guys? What do you think? If there is a bank and financial institutional have a YouTube channel and they are sharing their analysis, can they make money? They will never make money, man. Because they don't want to share their things. They will never make money. भाई कैसे थॉट आ रहे हैं आज तो, लॉस करा गया ऐसे थॉट आ रहे हैं भाई, सच में ही दिस इज द रियलिटी। मैं जब अकेला बैठता हूँ ना तो ये ऐसे माइंड में ख्याल नहीं आता। अभी क्वेश्चन को छेड़ दिया ना आपने, तो आते हैं। Once liquidity grabbed when we should enter, then we should enter with a big loss, big boss. That's fine. भाई सही बात है, ये सच है, ये सच है भाई, ये सच है, ये डार्क ट्रूथ है, इट्स द डार्क ट्रूथ that no one knows. Retail as a beginner, what we knows, yeah man, there is a chart, and there is a support and there is resistance. We believe on that only. We believe that market is, yeah man, market is working because of that. Yeah, market is taking rejection over here because of this line. It's not like that, man. Behind this trend there is the person, there is some organization, there is the big player sitting with huge amount of money, and once they enter in a market, they put their all fund in the market pumps up. Sometimes you see news candle goes straight away up, and after straight away goes up, it's come down straight away down. Why it's come down? Because they book their profit. They book their profit, or they have their, at that particular zone or that particular price, there is the limit orders from broker, right? So it's grab and come in back into the range, right? That's the thing, man. Hold on guys, I will come back. ये आंटी जी डब्ल्यू एज अ बिगिनर समटाइम आई से दैट यार मेरे ये एंट्रीज और मेरा एग्जिट कोई देख रहेगा साला भोसड़ी का, मेरे भी इसमें पैसे क्यों डाल रहा है। मैं जब सेल मारता हूँ कोई बाई ले रहा है बड़े अमाउंट में, जो बिग प्लेयर रहता है, ऐसे गाली देता हूँ तो मैं उनको, ठीक है। बट आफ्टर सम टाइम रियलाइज दैट कि मेरा जो ट्रेड है और मेरा जो लॉट साइज है वो फॉरेक्स मार्केट में इतना डॉट भी नहीं है, राइट ये है भाई ऐसी रियलिटी। इफ यू आर ब्लेमिंग और बिग प्लेयर बिकॉज ही सी दैट, मेरे को ऐसा ही लगता था कि भाई मैं एंटर किया उस सेल में, कोई बाई कर दिया क्योंकि मेरा इसने लाइव पे स्टॉप लॉस हिट कराना है, इसलिए किसी ने ना बड़े प्लेयर ने कर दिया भाई है। ऐसा नहीं है भाई मेरा ट्रेड इस मार्केट के अंदर 0.00001% भी कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा मार्केट को, ठीक है। Big boss is very chalak, bro. You are very chalak, bro. Eh? You are very chalak, huh? Then we should be stupid. Eh? Spoil it. Stupid. You know that you are very chalak, bro. Big losses se kam nahi, it's only matter of thing. Yeah man, someone can learn from the people who got losses, and someone is sitting in a drawdown from 1 year and is sharing his story, you can learn from that. But nowadays people on social media, they only hear the person who have Bentley, the person who have supercar, they only wants to hear from them, right? In a trading industry it's like this on social media. If you are living in a Dubai and you are traveling like all that, where you are putting story on with BMW car, right? You are putting in the story on with Ferrari, then you want to hear from that. that person. You don't want to hear that person who did losses, right? Because you are influenced. You influenced by that person. बढ़ेगा कार. हाँ, बढ़ेगा कार. Who knows, man? I also don't know. I don't know okay, how to recognize that is a rental car. But there is the twist, man. There is a twist. If someone is sitting in a Dubai and is showing you super car, then it's highly chances that car is took by rent. Just high chances is there. Because in a Dubai you will get easily. भाई मैं बैंक्स के साथ फोटो लेके डाल बीन्स के साथ not all is Vadega, not all. I know that, not all. But man, I respect Umar Ashraf, man. I respect Umar Ashraf is sitting in, I think, in Dubai. He's sitting in Canada also. He lives in Canada. He have big houses. He have 10 million house, I think. Oh, he have 1 million house. I don't know. But yeah, man, he's doing good. He had hard work. He did hard work. Right? He had multiple cars. He have a Lamborghini also. But not every person is dude like this. But I see on social media, if you want to grow social media, then rent it. जिसके पास पैसा है वो शो ऑफ नहीं करेगा. How many rich people do that? अभी देखो, जिसके पास पैसा है और वो पैसा वो शो ऑफ करने से ही आ रहा है, तो भाई वो और शो ऑफ करेगा बंदा. वो समझ नहीं रहा. ठीक है, जो ट्रेडिंग इंडस्ट्री में जो ट्रेडिंग से जो पैसा कमाता है ना, वो तो शो ऑफ नहीं करेगा कभी. ठीक है, वो एक नॉर्मल स्नैप डालेगा बस. ठीक है, बट द पीपल हु आर अर्निंग बाय डूइंग दैट शो ऑफ, because the people see their show up, they message them. They message them, I want to learn from you. I want to join your classes. I want to join your university. Right? And that only he want. That is advertise, man. अब देखो, कोई भी इन्फ्लुएंसर देखो, लेट्स से मेरा ही देखो. भाई मेरा खुद का एग्जांपल लेऊंगा तो बढ़िया रहेगा. ठीक है, किसी को पॉइंट आउट ना करो. बट आई एम नॉट डूइंग दिस. मेरा मेन मकसद क्या है, ठीक है, जो भी रहेगा एक मेमोरीज की तरह रहेगा. बट लेट्स से दिस इज द चैनल, राइट? Why he is using 4 screen, man? He's using 4 screen. He's doing profit, man. He's doing profit. ठीक है, yeah, he have this setup. माँ की यार, पैसा कमा रहा है बंदा भाई, राइट? बट ये एक्चुअल में पता है क्या है? ये कुछ भी नहीं है. इसमें तो कुछ दिखाया नहीं मैंने, बस ट्रेडिंग के रिलेटेड बस इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर किया. आई नेवर शेयर्ड माई कार, आई नेवर शेयर्ड माई, मतलब कुछ चीज़ें शेयर किया मैंने यहाँ.
Crazy. It's obscene. It was obscene. It's a normal world. Who the fuck wanted to live there?
कॉपीराइट आ जाएगा ब्रो, बट चलेगा ब्रो, हम थोड़े ना यूट्यूब से कमा रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो भाई कोई ऐसा रहता है जो शो अप करता है, तो जो शो अप कर रहा है ना, इट्स वन टाइप ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट. दैट्स ओनली आई वांट टू शेयर. ये इनकमिंग इज लेट्स सी, किसी को चाहिए कोर्स वगैरह तो हम कोर्स भी निकाल देंगे. ठीक है, बट इससे बढ़िया कोर्स नहीं रहेगा. जो लाइव स्ट्रीम में कोर्स चलता है ना अपना डेली फ्री का, दैट इज द मैन, वो सही है. पेड कोर्सेज में तो फिर आपको बहुत सारे लोग हैं, उनसे सीख लो. हमको इतना टाइम नहीं है ब्रदर सिखाने का. People don't have time to this. If you are trading, if I am trading, my main source of income is trading. I don't have time to do this course, this thing, that things. मेरा जो शॉर्ट्स वीडियो रहता है ना, वो भी एक बंदा एडिट करके भेजता है मेरे को. ये थंबनेल एक बंदा, थंबनेल तो 1-2 तो मैंने ही बनाया, बट कुछ थंबनेल रहते हैं जो आर्टिफिशियल, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, AI थंबनेल वगैरह, वो सब वो ही बनाता. आई डोंट हैव टाइम टू डू दिस ऑल थिंग. और उसमें ही हमारा यूट्यूब हो गया, इट्स मोनेटाइज्ड आई थिंक. I don't see that. Not monetized. For there is a 1 hour, 10, 100 hours required for monetization. there is many content that I can share on live. There I can share via shorts, but not focusing on. People are used to saying me that okay भाई तू ये मोमेंट इधर से कैप्चर करके इसका ये बनाना, रील्स बनाना, इसका शॉर्ट्स बना. यहाँ ना लाइव स्ट्रीम पे मैंने बस जो लाइव स्ट्रीम रिकॉर्ड है ना वो 11 मार्च 2024 से दिखा है. बट आई वॉज नॉट ट्रेडिंग फ्रॉम 11 मार्च. मैंने पहले से ट्रेड करता था मैं, और पहले भी ऐसे कमेंट आते थे. देखता हूँ पहले तो व्हाट्सएप पे कमेंट आते थे भाई.
अगली बार मेरे फैसलों पर कभी शक मत करना. इस जादू की
You can go for your buy position. You can put the stop loss of this.
मार्केट नहीं जाएगा ऊपर, कुछ भी मत बता पब्लिक को.
अगली बार मेरे फैसलों पर कभी शक मत करना. इस जादू की दुनिया में भगवान हूँ और तुम लोग इधर से बहने आए हो.
भाई एक बंदे ने मेरे को ऐसे रिप्लाई कर दिया, मैं ट्रेड में था लाइव स्ट्रीम पे, एंड ही मैसेज्ड मी ऑन व्हाट्सएप कि भाई ये मार्केट ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. अरे भाई छोड़ो ना, क्यों. तब तो बहुत गुस्सा आता था भाई साहब. मैं तो हमारे पब्लिक नहीं देते थे ज़्यादा, और मैं खुद मेरे को ही बोल रहा है, ठीक है, मेरा लॉस करवाने के लिए बोल रहा है ऐसा लगता था. बाद में पता चला कि यार ठीक है ना, तभी बताते अपना अपना ओपिनियन बताते. ठीक है, कुछ गलत हो सकता है, कुछ सही हो सकता है. जैसे अपने अनिल भाई करते हैं, मैं सेल में मारता हूँ, ये बाय में प्रॉफिट लेके एंट्री मार लेते हैं. ठीक है, प्रॉफिट हो जाता है बहुत सही, बट अगेंस्ट नहीं है भाई. जो भी कर रहे हो बढ़िया करो, खींच के ले लो. तो ये और अनिल भाई आपने कभी ऐसा बता नहीं कि ये प्लेस नहीं करेगा, ये आपके अगेंस्ट जाएगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज यू नो दैट कि फॉलोइंग योर प्लान इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट देन फॉलोइंग योर माइंड, फॉलोइंग विथ समवन्स थॉट्स. Minute is going to close over here. हाँ, एक मिनट गाइस, आया मैं. वो बोला गलत है भाई. वी डोंट डिस्टर्ब अदर प्लान बट वी लर्न फ्रॉम देम. मेरा 1:3 PNL हो गया है. हिट ट्रेड क्लोज वेटिंग फॉर द एशिया स्वाइप ना. अगर मिला तो ठीक, नहीं तो भी चलेगा. एग्जैक्टली मैन, सही है. डब्ल्यू मैन, डब्ल्यू ट्रेड, ठीक है. डब्ल्यू एनालिसिस, डब्ल्यू सभी चीज़ें सही है. ठीक है, लॉस है $18, दैट्स ओके. ठीक है, जितने स्टॉप लॉस थे अपने बड़े बड़े उतने अभी टारगेट रखेंगे. विल वर्किंग ऑन दैट. राइट, मेरा स्टॉप लॉस मैं कम कर रहा हूँ. वाई? बिकॉज पूरे ऑन 30 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम बेस्ड में स्टॉप लॉस रखा. आई नो दैट कि हाँ हिट होता तो फिर बहुत बड़ा हिट होता है स्टॉप लॉस. स्टॉप इज ट्रेड. कहाँ गया भाई ट्रेड? हाँ, ट्रेड नहीं, वो तो दिखा. This was the trade. This was the trade only. और ये मैंने 18 पिप्स पे एग्जिट किया, ये नहीं किया होता इसे 18 पिप्स, सी दैट 18 20 नहीं किया होता तो फिर ये 130 पिप्स मेरा हिट कर देता. मतलब यूजिंग अ स्टॉप लॉस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. गाइस दिस इज इट मैन. लर्निंग मे बी मैं एनवाई सेशन में प्लान करूंगा ट्रेड. आई विल प्लान इन एनवाई सेशन दैट आई कैन नॉट कम ऑन लाइव स्ट्रीम, सो माय लाइव स्ट्रीम विल बी ऐसा ही रहेगा. देखो गाइस लाइव स्ट्रीम में क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वी आर यूजिंग द कॉमन सेंस. मेजॉरिटी लोग ओवर हियर कम्स टू लर्न, राइट. सो ठीक है भाई, हम भी लर्न कर रहे हैं कि यूजिंग स्मॉलर स्टॉप लॉस. आई रियलाइज्ड फ्रॉम लास्ट मंथ आई डाटा स्टैट आई सी दैट. ठीक है मैन. ओके, so tomorrow we'll come again, we'll follow same, and from tomorrow onwards I focus on analysis first. I do deeply analysis at 11:30. I start my deeply analysis at 11:30. I want to see every aspect, every candle. I want to see break from monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. It's from minimum capital flow go to 10,000 Indian rupees, like $100. Right, but I recommend that start with at least $500. If you are trading in a gold, $500. You are leaving? Yes, I'm going to leave, man. I just have many other works over there. घर में हूँ ना भाई, तो फिर घर का भी ख्याल रखना पड़ता है. Right. Should I leave? Should I leave or stay here? I need to go, that's why I'm leaving. Right. If there is the profit, then also I'm leaving. There is the losses, then also I'm leaving. Right. Take my trade, Mr. Ranjit. Where you shared your trade? Oh, I got it, man. Yeah, and simple. Fantastic, man. What is the type of entry? You are entered in this trade based on what? Based on as an impulse entry, or based on, I will say that, breaking of previous candle highs. Right. Capital से ज़्यादा आप important हो, exactly man. But in this trade, after you see 80%, your target is more than 80%, right, over here. So you should move your stop losses from here to here, right? What happened in this trade, man? Where you entered? I'm not getting this trade. I'm not getting this. You entered over here or over here? I don't know where you are, but as per this chart, I see there is stop loss got hit. Because you enter in this candle, if you are entering this candle, it means your stop got hit. Where you entered? I don't know. Your stop got hit. Order flows को देख entry. Yeah, man, if you are in profit in this trade, move your stop loss to break on. That's the only advice I can say you. Right. I mean, I call it a day. Is to go somewhere. Many works over there today. If any question, let me ask. Or if you learn many things, ठीक है man. चलो. Alright, take care. See you tomorrow in London session. And if he is not available in London session, I will inform in a group. So let me know that you should join in a group also if you want any information regarding this live trading or regarding any gold. The link is in the description. Go there and join and request me. Right, as admin, I will approve that. Then only will add in a group. Right. So, yeah, man. Done with the trade. Done with the session. See you tomorrow.